Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna be talking about the basic parts of a landing page because I want to share the right foundation when it comes to building a landing page. And the basic is gonna be important, which is the first one is knowing what the parts of a landing page is. So let's start. Basically, guys, there are three main parts of a landing page. So we start with the section, rows or columns, and also elements. Again, there are only three parts of a landing page: section, rows or columns, and then also elements. Now, we start with the section, and I also want to share with you that when we talk about a section, actually, importante siya kasi a landing page can be composed of stacks of sections. Now, what do I mean by this? So, here's what I mean. Kunyari, etong whole landing page na Warframe na 'to, eto sila, lahat ng 'to, eto. Kunyari lang naman na landing page 'to siya. As you would also notice, nag-iiba-iba yung kulay niya. May light, may dark, babalik ulit sa light. So this right here is a section, and this right here is a section, and this right here is a section. So as you would notice, this whole landing page is composed of three sections that are stacked against each other, or, stacked from each other. So, yun yung section. And you would also notice here na in-outline ko ng green yung kada section para alam natin. The reason why it's color green is most landing page builder tool, yung symbolism nila or indicator nila para malaman mo na you are creating a section is color green. So para hindi kayo ma-confuse. Okay? Yun yung reason bakit color green siya. So color green indicates that it is a section. So eto, section siya, section to, section to. So punta naman tayo sa real life example, which is yung One Funnel Away landing page ni Russell Brunson or nung ClickFunnels, yung One Funnel Away challenge nila. As you would see here, etong parang announcement nila or an important widget. Actually, tawag nito is widget or a caption widget. You would also notice that this is a whole section. Okay? So this as well is a whole section. And this right here is a whole section as well. Pero hanggang 3 lang tayo. So now, let's proceed with the next part of a landing page, which is yung column. Now, inside each section, columns are used to create horizontal layout. So, para hindi kayo ma-confuse ano yung horizontal, baka tulad kayo sa akin na nalilito sa vertical and then horizontal. So, when we say vertical, type lang ako, vertical layout, ganito siya. Vertical layout is like that. Okay? And horizontal layout is like this. Okay? So parang ang indicator ko talaga dito is yung H kasi H is higa, pahiga. So anyways, that's just for me. So yun. Again, inside each section, columns are used to create horizontal layout. So parang ganito. Inside the section daw, there are two columns so that you can lay it out horizontally. So, dalawa yung column kasi merong text and button dito and then image yung andito. In real life scenario, eto siya. Yung landing page ni Russell Brunson. So, makikita mo, may dalawang column inside a one column. May image dito and then andito yung text and also yung button. And same din dito, yung table nila, two columns din para maging pahiga yung layout or horizontal layout, dalawang column. Okay? So hopefully clear yung purpose ng column. And Blue yung indicator pala niya when you're gonna be building on System.io, ClickFunnels, even on Go High Level. I think Go High Level, purple yung kulay nila. But basically, all columns, color blue yung ano, yung pagka indicator or indicator na color for most of the landing page builders. So ayun, again, columns can be just one column, two columns, three columns, or even six columns, depende sa mga builders. But most builders, uh, most of them allows to create six columns for most builders. Okay? So, punta na tayo sa last part na ng isang landing page, which is yung element, okay? Inside the column is where the specific elements will be added. Okay? So, eto, example na naman tayo. So, section. Inside the section, there will be a column. And inside each column, meron tayong element, which is yung headline, and then yung button. And then, dito naman sa side na to is yung image. Okay? So, makikita din natin sa real life, merong nakalagay dito. Eto, image. Meron tayong text, headline, subheadline, button, and then another text. So those are elements. Okay? Hopefully that is clear. Now, guys, there are also 50 elements of a landing page, but we will just go over with the basic, yung core four. Core four elements ng isang landing page, which are text, images or videos, or media. And then yung next is form fields. When we say form fields, ito yung fill outan natin, yung name natin, email address natin, yung credit card number natin. So, those are form fields. And again, ulitin ko lang, core four elements of a landing page: text, images, form fields, and of course, yung button. So, ayun lang, instead of learning the whole 50, kasi apat lang naman talaga yung parang kailangan natin i-remember, mas mabilis 'pag apat na lang yung i-remember natin, which is yung text, images, videos, form fields, and also button. So, ayun, those are the basic parts of a landing page. So, basically, section, and inside a section, there will be columns, and inside columns, you can add elements, and there are only core four elements of a landing page, which are text, media, form fields, and also yung button. So if this video is helpful, kindly like this video for the algorithm. And also, if you want to learn more about how to build a landing page from scratch, you can join my 5-day basic landing page challenge. The link is in the description. And again, if you find this video helpful, give this video a like, comment your takeaway, and also subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet. So, ayun lang guys. See you in the next video. Bye!